Vacuum brake boosters are part of many vehicles. A vacuum brake booster usually consists of the following components. At the rear of the brake booster casing, a vacuum connection is located. The brake pedal transfers energy from the driver's foot to the vacuum brake booster. A diaphragm separates two chambers from each other. Usually, it's a rolling diaphragm with a diaphragm plate. In this animation, however, it's a very simple flexible diaphragm. A dust boot is used to protect against dirt. The control housing contains an air filter and two springs. In addition, the control housing contains a poppet valve, a valve piston, and a rubber reaction disc. Atmospheric pressure is shown here in blue. Since the dust boot is perforated and the air filter is air permeable, this atmospheric pressure is present in the front part of the control housing. The vacuum connection supplies the vacuum chamber with vacuum. Since the vacuum chamber is connected to the pressure chamber via channel, vacuum is present in the pressure chamber. The vacuum is provided either by an engine or by a pump, as in the case of diesel engines. As soon as the driver depresses the brake pedal, the poppet valve separates the chambers from each other. The valve piston then presses on the rubber reaction disc that is deformed due to the force of the valve piston. Consequently, a connection between the front part of the control housing and the pressure chamber is established. This creates atmospheric pressure in the pressure chamber. The pressure difference between the two chambers increases the braking force until the driver does not move the brake pedal further forward. Finally, the poppet valve disconnects the front part of the control housing from the pressure chamber. During full braking, the connection between the front part of the control housing and the pressure chamber is permanently kept open. Pressure is constantly exerted on the rubber reaction disc. The atmospheric pressure exerts its full force on the diaphragm.